This is a training video on clearing a leaf net that's in the vac line. You'll want to turn off the pump first before you go to pull on this. This one's on low speed right now, so there's not an incredible amount of suction. I'm going to leave this hose underneath. I'm going to hook that hose to this since it's still running. And then you pull out your leaf net, let that drain out. This is going to unthread. So you're going to unthread the top. You'll see there's two little holes that line up for that to come off. Then you're going to peel off the top of this. You're going to empty out this basket into your leaf net, and then you're going to put the basket back in. This has an O-ring on it. The O-ring should be fairly lubed. That's going to slide in, and then you're going to line your tabs back up. Rethread this on until it's tight. This can only go into the hose one way, so this side goes back in. We're going to grab our hose. We're keeping them underwater because the pump's still on. So we're going to open up a hose link, hook to the bottom of our canister, and then this one is going to go on the top. Then you're all set.